Team, how you doing? So this is my Trust Wallet account. I'm bullish on this coin called DeRace token right here. I'm bullish on this coin. As you can see, the market cap is not even up. I believe that the market cap right now for this coin, I believe that the market cap right now for this coin is right around maybe 100 million. So I want to buy the dip when it drops down to $3, because if you look at the weekly, right here is 244. The daily right here try to do a dip at 333. So I will buy it, the dip at 299 here. Then I'm about to dip again around 275, and I'm about to dip at 280. So in order to do that, I have to position myself. So any coin that did more than 10% profit, like Automata, Mobox did it, but it's going down right now. I'm going to scrape at least 60% from it. My name is Romeo the Professor. Subscribe, share, follow if you're not. So this is BEP20. So I'm going to scrape this Automata. So I'm going to put it in BUSD. So is it Automata, and then I want it in BUSD. Okay, so I want to put at least 3,500. Okay, so I'm accepting it and I'm approve it. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow me, subscribe, share. If you click on my bio or click on my details, you'll see that I have a link where you can watch a price impact 14 cents, where you can watch a little 30-minute video where all you have to do is enter your name and email address, and you'll be able to see the 6 coins that I'm entering and that I will be invested in heavily for the entire month, all the way up to November 15th. Okay, so do that. So I just now moved Automata to Binance Peg right there. Now I'm going to move Mobox. It's a BP Mobox. I have that amount in it, so I'm going to take about 3,000 of it. So Pancake Swap, and then I put Mobox. By the way, I believe in Mobox, okay? But right now, I'm positioning myself so I can buy the dips. So let's do 2,500. Right now, I'm positioning myself so I can buy the dip of the coin DeRace, because I think it will drop to $3. Then I'm gonna buy the dip. Then 285, I'm gonna buy it, and then 275, I'm gonna buy it. Okay. So let me screenshot this. Okay, let me go back. So what I did is all of my coins that did 10% growth, I bought it, the dip. I mean, not the dip. I just converted it to Binance Peg. I have 6,000 now to buy the dip. Now DeRace right here is the ERC20. I would then buy DeRace token that is a BEP, because it has a BEP too, which I'll be showing you. Give me 1 second. So what is DeRace token? Let me show you. My name is Romeo. Follow me, the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. So I'm gonna go to coin market cap here. As you can see, if you click on 1 year, you'll see that right here. Let me show you the month. August 2nd. That's when this coin started establishing itself. It's only been here for 1 month, and it did about 400% gain. So that's why I'm bullish on it. So let's click on view on coin market cap. So when we click on coin market cap, we see the contracts, and you'll see right here it has a Binance Smart Chain contract. So if I have Binance BUSD stablecoin, I'll buy it with that. It has Ethereum. So if I have USDT Ethereum, I'll buy with that, or with Ethereum, or with Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so let me take you to the website now so you can see. Okay, I want to show you that. So now when we go to the website, DeRace.com, then you can have an idea what it is. It's about horse racing, betting, and all that. Here it is, DeRace introducing. We are setting a new standard for the gaming and betting industry. DeRace is a complete NFT horse racing ecosystem where you can participate in horse racing, breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, build your own NFT, hopodrome, everything. Profitable, transparent, community again focused, NFT with a purpose. So it's potent and it's new. This is the time where you position yourself. Okay, so horse betting is huge in America and all over the world. Cash value, liquid. So now when we look, 700 billion market revolution. DeRace is a combination of three booming multi-billion-dollar markets: video gaming, gambling, and house racing, all together very more than 700 billion. So we got the slow digitalization of the market, lack of transparency, lack of ownership and uniqueness. So they're solving all of it. Taking 1% of the combined market share of these industries would unlock DeRace a possible value of 7 billion. Here's the team behind it, okay? And if you would look, you will see the project roadmap, okay? All right, Q4 beta launch. And if you look here, you'll see the partners that it has with them. Private run, public run marketing, okay? All right. Backers, DAO Maker, we have X21, we have Kairos Ventures, we have Chainlink, Binance NFT, so it's huge. My name is Romeo the Professor. I'm huge on DeRace, and if we look at the hour, within an hour, if you look at it, it did 7%. So I see it about to do a pullback, but once it does the pullback, I'm gonna buy this 6,000. I'm gonna buy it, but I'm gonna buy the because the Binance BEP. I'm gonna buy the Binance smart contract of it. My name is Romeo the Professor. Subscribe, share, follow. Thank you.